And welcome back to Broader Financial Future to all my future millionaires and billionaires out there. In today's video, I'm going to discuss my Robinhood portfolio. I'm going to talk about all the stocks that I have in my Robinhood account and let everybody know what percentage I'm either up or down on each individual stock. It's that time of year where I try to kind of see where I'm at and what I'm going to do for the rest of the year. All right, folks. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. This channel is all about dividend stocks, index funds, ETFs, and more. Just general financial information that hopefully you find useful. In addition, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. I don't know what it does as far as the algorithm is concerned, but I know it puts a smile on my face. So help me have a brighter day. So let's jump into today's video. So enough on a sales pitch. It's all about Robinhood. So I'm going to go in order from the stocks that I lost money on all the way up to the stocks that gained me the most percentage wise. So the first stock we're going to talk about is NRZ. Now I've done some videos on this. You can check them out on my channel. I'm actually down 21% without counting the dividend income I received from this particular stock. Now, the reason why I'm actually down on this particular stock is because I bought in 2020 prior to the whole world coming to an end. This stock was actually doing pretty well for me. Then it just dropped in 2020. It went as low as close to s- it dropped from like $17. In basically a week, it went all the way down to like $3, or within a month, at 333. So it took a really big dip. I continue to hold the stock, so it actually has been moving up from then. This is stock I do enjoy for the dividends, so that's the reason why I'm down on the stock. If you would have bought it within the last year, you're probably doing pretty well. I just happen to have the stock uh, for a while. That's why it's down. Next up on the list, similar story is AGNC. This one I'm down 13%, not counting my dividend income from this company. This one, like NRZ, I bought in 2020. I was really adding a lot to my position. And then when the whole market crashed, this is one of those stocks that went from almost $20 down to like $5, $6, even though right now it's starting to move up a bit. Um, Actually, it's starting to move up a bit, so I'm not doing too bad. It's pretty much close to where it was at, just down 13%. Um, I held all the way through, but this one also provides a monthly dividend. If I would probably reinvested that dividend back in the agency, I would probably be up now, but I've been using the dividend from this particular stock to buy other companies in my Robinhood portfolio. All right. So out of all my stocks, now we're going into the green. This is a brand new holding for me. Um, I'm up 2%. I started this position a couple of weeks ago, and this is SCHD. This is an ETF stock that focuses on dividend income. Actually, I probably did a video on most of these stocks here, so you can probably find them on my channel somewhere. I'll probably put the links down below. In addition, the next stock is PPL. I'm actually up 5%, not including dividend income, which pays me 41 cents per share a quarter. Next up after that, we have VTRS, Beatrice. This one is a relatively new holding. I'm up 10%, not including the dividend income I received for owning the stock. This is a company I actually really like as well. Next up on the list is MVO. Now, this one I'm up about 20%. And this one is a dividend company. Um, it offers a quarterly dividend. The dividend is pretty massive, which is one of the reasons I really like this company. So if you count the stock growth and the dividend, it has been a winner for me. I brought it at the right time. Note, this is a stock that's no longer available to purchase on Robinhood. So the only way they can get this stock is using a different brokerage. Unfortunately, Robinhood, you cannot buy into the stock, but if you already own this stock, you can continue to hold it in your Robinhood account and still receive the dividends like myself. Next up on the list is MPW. I've done a lot of videos on this stock. It's definitely one of my favorite REITs to own. I'm up 20%, not counting dividends. This is definitely, like I said, my favorite REIT compared to AGNC and NRZ. This one pays a quarterly dividend of 28 cents. Next up on my list is a monthly paying dividend ETF. I'm up 30%, and that's SPHD. This one actually has been pretty good for me. A lot of people, it's like kind of mixed depending on what's your opinion on it, but this one has been somewhat of a winner, so I can't really complain. Next up is Pfizer, ticker PFE. This one really took off really towards the tail end of last year in December, all the way this year, and I'm actually up 50% on this particular holding. So this was definitely one of the winners for me as well. Last but not least, it's definitely probably one of my biggest winners when it comes to my Robinhood portfolio is Avi. This one I'm up a whopping 90%. Um, it's done really good for me. I get in at the right time. And this one I really held for a while. I really enjoyed this company and it's been a winner. So I definitely can't complain about that. So overall, I'm up about 20% for the year. Not too shabby. Definitely wish I would have did a little bit better, but I can't really complain. I made some moves, like I discussed before in some of my other videos. I did sell out of AT&T in December of last year. I was hoping to get back in around the $25 range, but it's been shooting up. So I'm just gonna hold on that front. But overall, that is my portfolio as far as the stocks that I hold in my Robinhood account. Let me know if you use Robinhood or a different brokerage. What are some of your favorite stocks when it comes to dividends and ETFs? Until next time, everybody, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And just to let you know, this video is strictly for entertainment purposes only. I'm just sharing my experience when it comes to investing. And I actually own these particular stocks I just mentioned. And as you can see, any investment may involve risks. I do have some stocks that I took a loss on, but luckily for me, the majority of them, I'm actually in the green. So that's why it's important to always do your own homework because investments can be risky. All right, folks, that's all I got. Until next time, have a good one. Peace.